There is an estimated 22,000 species of ants. Of that, about 12,500 has been classified. Ants form colonies that range from a few dozen predatory ants to highly organized colonies consisting of millions of individuals. Ant colonies are described as superorganisms because the ants operate as a unified entity. Ants have colonized almost every landmass on Earth. The only place not colonized is Antarctica and a few unlivable islands. Ants may form 15 to 25% of the land animal biomass. The ants' success in so many environments is attributed to their social organization, the ability to modify habitats, tap resources, and defend themselves. Velvet ants look like large ants but are really wingless female wasps. Ants, like other insects, do not have lungs. Instead, they absorb vital gases through their exoskeleton. Ants secrete their own antibiotics that they rub on their body and nest to kill bacteria and fungus. Ants have poor eyesight compared to vertebrates, and a few underground species are blind. But in Australia, the bulldog ant has excellent vision, able to tell distance and size of objects a meter away. The ant has two antennas that are able to detect chemicals, air currents, vibrations, and they are used to send and receive signals through touch. Only reproductive ants have wings, male and female. In many species, worker ants have their reproductive organs modified into stingers to subdue prey and defend the nest. The life of an ant starts as an egg. If the egg is fertilized, it will be female. If not, it will be male. When an ant is crushed, it sends out an alarm pheromone that sends nearby ants into attack mode. Bullet ants from Central and South America have the most painful sting of any insect, but it's not fatal to humans. The jack jumper ant of Australia has a sting that can be fatal. Army ants of South America and driver ants of Africa live a nomadic lifestyle and build temporary nests with their own bodies by holding each other together. Ants help humans in many ways, including suppression of pest control and aeration of the soil. In Africa and South America, large ants are used as surgical stitches on humans. The wound is pressed together, then the ants are applied to the wound. The ant sees the edge of the wound in its mandibles and lock in place. The body is then cut off the ant and the head remains in place to close the wound. The estimated total number of ants on Earth is between 1 and 10 quadrillion. There are approximately 1 million ants for every one human on Earth. There are some species of ants called slave-making ants that raid other ant colonies, take the young, and either eat them or force them to work. The eggs of two species of ants are considered a Mexican delicacy, a form of insect caviar, and can sell for as much as $40 a pound.